Welcome back to Cool Fred's Garage. This is Cool Fred here. So today's video is on my 2016 Ram 1500. I was hoping I was going to be able to get out here and before the rain started coming down bad. It was coming down a little bit ago, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what's going on with the Ram. All right, so what's going on is I'm getting this this message for the right rear turn signal light out, and it kind of pops up randomly. All right, so this right here is a tail light that's having problems right here on the passenger rear. So a lot of times what happens when I get that check message is I experience a fast flash in the turn signal system. So I scanned the vehicle with this scanner here, so we can see what kind of codes are in here. But this right here is going to also allow me to activate the lights so you guys can see what I'm talking about. All right, so here we go right here. So I got it activated, and right now I can't really see if any of them are out. I think this one right here in the middle is out, but before it was like maybe 3 of them at the bottom were out. All right, so this is pretty much what happens. You can see how not all of the turn signal lights are lit up on the back tail light, and you can see the ones in the front, they just flash. Like they have a fast flash to them. So all right, so this tail light is real simple to remove. You just got these T25s right here and right there, 2 of them. I got this screw gun here with a T25 bit. I'm just gonna zip them out. All right, so the next thing I gotta do, so pretty much what you wanna do is just kinda, you gotta grab it like right here, support it back here, and kinda just pull straight out on it. So you wanna avoid trying to like go this way with it, like outward, because there's a couple clips in here. And if you break those, if your new tail light don't have them, mine does happen to have them. So, but I'm gonna show you guys that real quick. All right, so once you get it loose, pretty much right here, there's like a locking clip, and I'm gonna pop that back. I got a screwdriver right here. I'm gonna use this pocket screwdriver to pop that lock out, and then you just basically unclip it. All right, so this right here is the connector. So basically this locking tab, it just slides out, and then what you're pushing on is this right here to move the lock, and then you're able to pull it out. All right, so the new tail light that I'm gonna replace this one with is in this box right here. So some months ago, a little bit after I got this warning message, what I did is I actually pulled the tail light out just to get the factory part number out of it, because I was looking on Rock Auto and some other places. Now this truck right here is a Ram 1500 Sport, so it's got the LED turn lights, the LED tail lights from the factory. So that's like one of the optional upgrades. It's standard on the Sport and Laramie, and then it's also optional on some of the other ones. But just to make sure I was getting the right part, I did go in here and find the part number. So some of those part numbers are kind of wore off now, but this right here is that factory tail light. So, but the thing is, me getting ready to up to the point where I wanted to purchase, like now, like these factory, if you want to go with a Mopar tail light, these things have just gotten stupid expensive. I think they're up to they're between like they're somewhere around $360 for one tail light. So I didn't want to blow $360 on the tail light. So I decided to go with a aftermarket option, but instead of just going with a this is actually like a aftermarket reproduction. So this tail light right here, I purchased it from Summit while I was ordering up some other stuff. So so that right there is the part number to this light. I'll link it to the description. So this light right here is what they call, it's basically certified for collision. It's what they call CAPA certified. So the description from what I found from that is it's supposed to fit and function and be as close to the original as possible. So more than likely, if you were in a collision or something like that, and your tail light got hit, or you got some damage on the quarter panel of your truck, more than likely your insurance company is gonna pretty much they're gonna require that they replace it with one of these versus a Mopar one. All right, so when getting it out of the box, this right here is what we got. So I did check it out the other day when it arrived, and it looks very much like the original factory one. So I did kind of look around at because I was looking at some of the pricing on these things, and I did find some nice aftermarket ones. They had like different styles, like some of them had the 5th gen. They had the 5th gen style tail lights and stuff like that, and also the ones that had the C design. But I like the factory style that came with it, so I'm just gonna just keep it simple with that. So these do, to be honest with you, look a lot. They look a lot like the factory one, and they have a lot of the same wiring. They come with your bulbs. They come with these clips here if you're interested in popping those clips. So I'm gonna check my clips real quick. So long as they're good, I'll probably just keep them in there, and I'll just set these clips here to the side. So these clips here, they'll just slide out. They'll pretty much just slide out like, you actually got to put some pressure on them to get them out. I'll probably get those out in a second, but I like that everything's in the factory location as far as the plug connection and stuff like that. So I'm gonna slide these in a little bit and see how they fit. So they also come with a new reverse light bulb, and you also get all your labelings and certifications that is certified. So this thing right here is not supposed to have any type of fitment issues. You're not supposed to have any gaps or anything like that that's off. So it's supposed to fit like the original. So I'm about to put it in there and see what I got, because that rain's kind of on and off. So I was trying to slide these in before the rain got too bad. I will put both part numbers to this one right here, and also the Mopar one. If you're interested in buying the Mopar one, I will put those in the comment section. So I did decide to go ahead and use the new clips. Basically what you do, while they're in there, you just push down on these 3 tabs, kind of one at a time, and slide the old ones out. So this is me putting the new ones in. They just pop right in. One of the ones at the top of my old one was just had a little bit of a tilt to it, so that's why I decided to put the new ones in. So far, this connection here, it just plugs in, and I get that lock slid back down, and then it's good to go. And basically, you just kind of push it back in this original location, and you get those T25 screws in there. All right, so I got the new tail light in, got my screws in, and so far, you know, it looks good. The fit and finish looks pretty good when comparing it to the opposite side. So the last step is to see if it works like it's supposed to. All right, so it looks like everything is back to normal like it's supposed to be. So I got this thing fixed. So that check message pretty much just cleared itself, and the flash is back to normal. It's gonna wrap this video up. So hopefully you guys, if you're having this problem with your truck, you'll be able to have an alternative to get your vehicle fixed and repaired by putting in a quality part that's gonna be close to what came from the factory. So like I mentioned earlier, I purchased that one from Summit Racing. Also I seen some on Rock Auto too, that was certified. Basically they had the certification for the fit and the function. So but I was already ordering some other stuff from Summit. I had Summit bucks, and I had a couple of certificates that I could use. So I went on and ordered it from Summit. But then the other thing with Summit, if I ran into an issue, I know I could take it back and or exchange it or whatever. So I kind of chose to order from Summit because of that. But so far, that tail light is working like it's supposed to, and it looks good. Looks pretty much like the factory one. So that's pretty much what I wanted, just to get that fixed, because it's annoying seeing that check message all the time. So thank you guys for checking out Cool Fred's Garage. We'll catch you on the next video.